In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of cucumber. So, let's get started and take a closer look at the pros of cucumber. Number 1. Hydration. Cucumbers are composed of 95% water, making them an excellent food choice to maintain proper hydration levels. Staying hydrated is essential for supporting bodily functions such as digestion, circulation, temperature regulation, and nutrient absorption. By including cucumbers in your diet, you can help replenish fluid levels and prevent dehydration, particularly during hot weather or intense physical activity. Number 2. Nutrient-rich. Cucumbers are packed with an array of essential nutrients that benefit overall health. They are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and supports bone health. Vitamin C, another important nutrient found in cucumbers, acts as an antioxidant, strengthens the immune system, and aids in collagen production, promoting healthy skin and connective tissues. Cucumbers also provide potassium, a mineral that helps maintain a healthy blood pressure level and supports proper muscle and nerve function. Number 3. Weight management. Including cucumbers in your diet can be beneficial for weight management due to their low calorie and high water content. With only about 16 calories per cup, cucumbers offer a satisfying crunch and a refreshing flavor while being low in energy density. The high water content not only contributes to their hydrating properties but also adds volume to your meals, helping you feel fuller with fewer calories. Number 4. Digestive health. Cucumbers are known for their digestive benefits and can contribute to a healthy gut. One of the key compounds found in cucumbers is cucurbitacin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. The high water and fiber content in cucumbers also aid in maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Number 5. Skin and hair health. Cucumbers have long been recognized for their benefits to the skin and hair, thanks to their hydrating and nourishing properties. The high water content in cucumbers helps hydrate the skin, making it appear plumper and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, cucumbers contain silica, a mineral known for its role in promoting healthy hair growth and strengthening connective tissues. Silica helps maintain the elasticity of the skin, contributing to a youthful appearance. These are the main pros of cucumber. There are also potential drawbacks to consider. So, let's get into the cons of cucumber. Number 1. Oxalate content. Cucumbers contain oxalates, which are natural compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. High levels of oxalates in the urine can increase the risk of stone formation, especially in those with a history of kidney stones or certain medical conditions. Consuming excessive amounts of cucumbers, particularly in raw form, may lead to an accumulation of oxalates in the body. Number 2. Pesticide residues. Conventionally grown cucumbers are often treated with pesticides to protect against pests and diseases. These pesticides can leave residues on the skin, which, if consumed without proper washing or peeling, can enter the body. Prolonged exposure to pesticides can potentially pose health risks, such as disruption of hormone balance, damage to the nervous system, or increased cancer risk. Choosing organic cucumbers or thoroughly washing them before consumption can help mitigate this concern and reduce pesticide exposure. Number 3. Digestive issues. Some people may experience digestive discomfort after consuming cucumbers, particularly if they have a sensitive digestive system or are prone to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Cucumbers contain a type of fiber called cellulose that is not easily digested by the human body. This can lead to bloating, gas, or even diarrhea in some individuals. If you have a history of digestive issues or experience discomfort after consuming cucumbers, it may be advisable to moderate your intake or explore alternative sources of fiber that are more easily digestible. Number 4. Allergic reactions. While rare, allergic reactions to cucumbers can occur in susceptible individuals. Cucumbers belong to the same family as melons and gourds, and those with melon or gourd allergies may experience symptoms such as itching, swelling, hives, or even anaphylaxis after consuming cucumbers. If you have known allergies to melons or gourds, it is important to be cautious when consuming cucumbers and seek medical advice if you experience any allergic reactions. Number 5. Diuretic effect. Cucumbers have a high water content and can act as a natural diuretic, meaning they may increase urine production and promote frequent urination. While this can be beneficial for hydration and detoxification in some cases, it may also lead to electrolyte imbalances, particularly if excessive cucumber consumption is combined with inadequate fluid and electrolyte intake. If you are prone to dehydration or have specific medical conditions that require careful fluid and electrolyte management, it is important to monitor your cucumber intake and ensure you maintain a balanced diet with sufficient hydration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.